It's March 3rd, 2025. We're up in Sisar Canyon. We're right at the point where the road actually splits off to the left, and then you meet the trail that goes to White Ledge Campground. The trail goes up this canyon here, and in fact, the heavy set of trees that you see back up in there, the campground's in there, the White Ledge Campground. And then the trail continues on up to the skyline there and meets the Nordhoff Peak Road. We're about 4 miles one way into this trail from the trailhead down at Sisar Canyon, at the mouth of Sisar Canyon. There's the road. You're essentially hiking along a dirt road up here. And then I've been up to the campground a number of times. Let's scan back over here. And it looks closer than it is. It's about a mile into there to get to the campground. Nice campground. It's got water. I don't know if you can hear it in here, but I can hear the stream down below flowing. And then when I look up the hill, I see Matilaha Ridge there, or excuse me, Topa Ridge, with the Matilaha Formation outcropping there. The light-colored stuff, banded rocks, they're sandstone beds, and they're almost horizontal. The dip is pretty low angle, it's a little bit to the northeast. And then the darker layers in between the light-colored sandstone, those are siltstones and shales. This is an Eocene age sedimentary deposit. They're deep marine. They're probably, they're turbidites. So it means that they were a turbid flow, more or less like a debris flow, came down a submarine canyon and deposited these sandstone beds at the base of the continental slope. And back in the Eocene, this was part of a big four-arc basin that extended up and down the coast of North America. And we're kind of age-wise getting the tail end of it. It ended about maybe 10 million years later with the deposition of the non-marine Sesame Formation, which is younger than this. The geometry here is you see these flat-lying beds, and then if you walk down the canyon, or when you come up the canyon, you'll notice there's, you can't see them from here, but there's vertical beds. And so that's the south limb of the fold that makes up it's a large asymmetric anticline. And then we walked up, let me scan on better. We walked up this road here that you can see and went up about another mile. Got some good views up Ojai Valley. And then let's sweep up there. There's Kit and Rupert is hiking with me today. Nice little area to hike in. Again, there's a pretty good backpacking campground right up here, that one called White Ledge Camp. And in fact, the sandstone bed that you see that ledge, you see part of the way up towards Topa. That is actually the White Ledge, and then it dips over here and comes under the campground. So you got these little waterfalls or cascades at the campground. And again, it's a pretty nice site.